In this video, we will learn about maps in C++. Maps are containers that store elements associatively in key-value pairs. If you've worked with languages like C# or Python, a map is very similar to a dictionary in those languages. The first step to working with maps using C++ code is to include the map header file at the top of the code. Let's create a map that stores keys as strings and values as integers, named example. To insert key-value pairs into a map, we can use the insert function. Let's call the insert function to insert a pair with a key of the string 1 and the integer value 1 to our map. Then we will insert another pair with the key of the string 2 and an int value of 2, and another key-value pair with a key of the string 3 and the int value 3. Let's learn another way to add key-value pairs to a map in C++. First, we will create another map of strings to ints named example2. Then we will type example2, then square brackets, the string value 1, and set it equal to the int 1. This is how we would add the key with a string value of 1 mapped to an int value of 1. Next, we will add the key value pair 2, 2 to the map, and then 3, 3 to the map. We can access a value by referencing the key inside of square brackets. For example, we can output the value that corresponds to the string 1 in our example2 map. When we run the code, notice that the integer value 1 was output to the console. To remove all of the key value pairs from a map, we can use the clear function. For example, let's call the clear function on our example2 map. Then we will output if the map is empty by utilizing the empty function. When we run the code, notice that the empty function returned a value of 1, meaning true.